Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I am Shubhra and today I'm going to try this foundation from NYX. So I'm going to use half of my face with a brush and half of it with a beauty blender. Oh, it's really runny guys. Let's see it hides my pigmentation or not. Extremely runny. You have to really work fast with this. I see a little bit of coverage. When I actually bought this foundation, I was kind of regretting that it's little lighter from my skin shade, but it's actually very nicely blending with my skin color. And it's really light, liquidy, runny. This is just a first coat, so I think it's doing pretty well. With a brush, I think it's kind of hiding things, but yeah, around my mouth, all this, and under eye, dark circles and all, it's little difficult to hide for a light coverage foundation, but I guess I can build the coverage by adding some more drops. But first I will move to this side of my face. So see the difference? One coat and this is a bare face. You can just make out a bit of difference. And now again 2 drops. Oops. And one more drop. It's really easy to blend guys, really easy. It's very smooth. So this is the second round, like the second drops I'm going to apply. Oh my god. Do you see guys? I think my brush is soaking up the foundation because it's too liquidy. Coverage is really nice. I really don't feel like that I have any kind of foundation on my skin. It's really light and my skin is breathing. Okay. It's for me it's very difficult to handle this kind of foundation. Like it's too runny and you have to be really quick and blending, and I'll take time. Again my blender is soaking up the foundation. This is the second coat I have applied. I still can see some of the areas gray shades, but you know what, I can actually work this out by applying concealer. So guys, as I have a combination skin, I really need to see that how much it's actually staying and what's the pros or the cons and all that stuff. So guys, for that what I'm going to do, I'm going to just keep this makeup for whole day, and end of the day I will show you the results. So guys, this is how I look after finishing up my makeup and in the daylight. So I have not used any color corrector, no primer. It's only concealer and foundation. That's it. So right now I'm going out, and just to see result, please be with me.
So as you guys can see, I'm wearing a mask, so let's see what happens to the foundation after having a mask on. So right now I'm going back home, guys, after 8 hours, and this foundation is going really strong. Only the area around my mouth is little bit faded now, and that's because of mask, I'll say. Under my eyes and smile lines I can see some foundation creases. Also I have some dry patches in my skin which is more prominent now. So I'll not really recommend this foundation for dry skin or combination skin people. So this is what I think about this foundation, guys. Let me know if you guys like the video. Please like, subscribe and share with your friends also. I'm really sorry that I was not able to make a proper video because it was really late. So thank you so much for being with me, guys, and keep watching me. As of now, tada.